So, all right, good day, everyone. If you're actually watching this video now, that means you've come across Bekenet Trading software. Maybe somebody have told you about Bekenet Trading software, or maybe you saw it online and you stumbled into our YouTube video. Now, what I'm going to teach you is how to use Bekenet Trading software to make money in the financial market without stress. It works for derivative synthetic, it works for well trade synthetic, and it works for forex. Now, what is Bekenet Trading software? Bekenet Trading software is a simple application that runs on your mobile device, specifically Android device. Is an app that notifies you when to buy and when to sell. Now, Bekenet Trading software, it is not a robot. You don't attach it to your MT5. It has nothing to do with your account. It has nothing to do with your equity. It's a standalone application that tells you when to buy and when to sell. It sends you a notification like this. It send you a notification to buy or sell. You can see this. It send you a notification. It's currently telling me to sell gold. You understand? It will send you a notification just like this, as simple as ABCD. Your phone will vibrate, then you'll be the one to place the trade on your account. So I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can do it. Now, before you use this software is not 100%. Okay, the software is not 100%. So if you're coming into Bekenet Trading software because of the profitability you're seeing online, we do have losses sometimes, but the only good thing is that our winnings is always higher than our losses. So before you come into trading, always make sure you use your spare money. Do you understand? To trade, nothing is guaranteed in the forex space, in the market space. Losses can come at any time. Do you understand? So you have to have that at the back of your mind. Number one, don't borrow money to trade forex. Don't use your house rent to trade forex. Don't use the money that you know is very important for you to trade forex. Only use your spare money to trade forex. Okay? Bekenet Trading software is not an holy grail that gives you win all the time. No, there are sometimes we hit losses. Do you understand? There are sometimes we hit losses, and there are sometimes where our winnings is always higher than our losses. So you have to have that at the back of your mind. In the world of trading, there's nothing like an holy grail. There's nothing like a win all the time. No, I'm going to tell you the truth. Bekenet Trading software is not 100% accurate. Do you understand? It's not 100% accurate, but the only thing I can tell you, out of 10 trade, we can win 7 and lose 3. Do you understand? Out of 10 trade, we can lose 3 or 4 and win 6. Do you understand? So have it at the back of your mind and always use proper risk management. Don't over leverage your account. The software will tell you when to buy and when to sell, when to buy and when to close your trade. So I'm going to take you through on how you're going to get the app, how you're going to get started, how you're going to configure it, how you're going to take trade with the app. So follow me step by step. It is very simple. First thing first, all you need to do, you must have a Chrome browser in your Android phone. You need to install a Chrome browser in your Android phone. Once you have a Chrome browser in your Android phone, we are good to go. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser in my phone. So I'm going to go straight to Google. I'll go straight to Google. I'll type Google. I will type Bekenet Trading Journal. So once I type Bekenet Trading Journal, I will search for it. Now it's going to bring out a list of products that Bekenet has, but the one you need to focus on is the one that is showing Bekenet Trading Journal, okay, which is a trading software that Bekenet has a lot of products, but this is the one you need to focus on. Don't go for the robot, go for this one, okay? Bekenet Trading Journal. So you're going to click on this. Once you click on Bekenet Trading Journal, it will not take you to the page. Do you understand? This is the page. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download or install the app on your Android phone. All you need to do is just come here, click on this menu. Click what? On this menu. Click on this menu. So I'm going to click on this menu. Once I click on this menu, it will take me to this page. Don't touch any of this. just install what the app. Close this pop-up. Just install the app. Just click this blue button that is showing install app. So just click it. It will install automatically. And if your phone does not allow you to install automatically, all you need to do, you see this three dots at the top here. You see this three dot at the top. You just click it. Look at it. You click it. You see a message that says add to. Look at it. Add to home page. If your own does not install automatically, you just come here, click add to home page. But for me, I'll try and install my own. So I'm going to come here and click on what the install button is. Very simple. Just click it. Once I click install, look at it. Bekenet Trading Journal install. Look at it. It asks me to install. Then I'll click. It will install. Look at it installing. So after I must have installed, a message will come telling me that the app has been installed. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, look at it. It has shown me that the app has been installed at the top. All I need to do now is just click here, click to my dashboard, then look for the app in my phone. Look at it here. This is the app. The app has been installed here. Now I can open the app in my phone. Simple as what? ABC. I can open the app now in my phone. I can click here now. Once I click here, the app will now open. The next thing I need to do is to create an account if you don't have an account before. But if you have an account before, you just log in. So I already have an account. All I need to do is log in. But for you that does not have an account, all you need to do, fill in this form and make sure you remember your password. It's very simple. Your name, your phone number, your email address, password. My character must be above 6. Then you create your account. For me, I already have an account. You understand? I'm going to do that. Then before I will log in, once you've created the account, the next thing you need to do, you will open the app again for you to activate your device notification. First thing first, you see at the bottom here, you see a red bell. You see a red bell here. As you can see, this is a red bell at the bottom here. You see a red bell at the bottom. All you need to do, just click the bell. Once you click the bell, you unsubscribe it. A message will come like this. Click the bell again. Once you click the bell, you click subscribe. This subscribe simply means that you want your device to be receiving notification from Bekenet server. You want to be receiving signal when to buy and when to sell. So I'm going to click on this now, subscribe. Once I click OK, I'll now swipe down. Look at it. A message has come telling me thank you for subscribing. Now this is where my notification will be coming in this place, the left side of your phone. Once you swipe down, you'll be able to see your notification, all the notifications that are coming. As you can see, notifications are coming. So once you receive that message that tells you thank you, you now click login. By that time, you must have registered already. So I'm going to register, login with my email address and login. Now this is the interface of Bekenet Trading software. Now this, you can use this for voice command. This mic, just tap it, you talk about, there are menus on how you're going to use it for voice command for it to generate signal for you. You understand? You do that. Once you read through, you'll be able to understand it. For after that, the next thing we need to do is to configure your phone now so that you can be receiving alert notification from the server. Now you click this menu at the top. Then once you click this menu, once you're done with that menu, you click on control. Click on activate device notification. You close this pop-up. A page like this is going to come up. The next thing you need to do, click on check notification, to check if actually your phone has been configured the first time. Once you see this token, you move ahead, you click activate device. So I'm going to click on activate device. Once I click on this activate device, the next thing I need to do is click on test device to see if actually I'm going to receive a message. So once I click it, as you can see, I have received a message telling me that, look at it, I've received a message congratulating me that my device can be receiving notification. Simple as ABCD, that my device can be receiving notification. No stress, nothing. So once you see this message telling you congratulations, your email address, device is now active, you can now move to the next stage. What is the next stage? Is for you now, let me log in again. The next stage is for you now to put your phone number to activate the advanced key level so that your notification can be coming in. So let me log in again. So Once you click on SMS setup, you click on proceed. Just put your phone number 234, put your number. I've already done that, so I'm just putting a random number. Put it, you okay it. Go back to that menu again. Click on control access. Control access. Click on set alert. Proceed. Select connect. Select advanced key level. Change it to advanced key level. Then you connect. I've already done that, but I'm just showing you how it's done. Now, once you're done, you are good to go. The next thing you need to do, it is very simple. This configuration you just did now, that's the only thing you need to do once and for all. It's only when your notifications stop working, that's when you repeat this process. But once you've achieved this, the next thing you need to do is just click on the menu. If you're a forex trader, you go to forex. If you're a forex trader, focus on this. If you're a crypto trader, focus on this. If you're a synthetic derivative trader, focus on this. And then if you're a well-trade trader, focus on this. So I'm going to be using forex, for example. They are all the same thing, the same pattern of how to use the software. They are all the same thing. Now you're going to come here, click on this. I'm going to click on forex. Once you click on forex, you're only going to see two things here, which is the inbuilt chart with the setup, the setup that is going to be sending you alert notification, which is a retracement promise. That's the only thing you're going to see there. Now, the inbuilt chart help us to know if whether price is close to resistance or support. So immediately you take your trade, immediately the notification comes, all you need to do, go to the inbuilt chart, check if price is close to resistance and support. So for now, I'm going to program the phone now for it to generate signal for me on all the pairs. So all I need to do, just click on retracement promise. Once I click on retracement promise, I can just click load all pair. Once I click load all pair, the system will automatically load all the whole pairs for me, so that whenever there is a signal on all these pairs, it will notify me. It's as simple as what? ABCD. It doesn't waste time. Yes, it will notify me once there is a signal on this pair. As you can see, I've loaded all the pairs. Now, if you're the kind of a person that doesn't trade all the whole pair, you can as well click anyone to delete the ones that you want. You can just click the delete button, remove the ones that you don't trade. If it's only gold you are trading, you can only program it for gold. Just delete all the whole 30-something pair. But for me, I trade all the whole pairs. But if you want to filter out everything, just click delete, and delete the ones you don't want. If it's 3 pair you want, the system will only going to generate 3 pairs for you. For me, I'm going to load everything because I trade all the whole pairs. Do you understand? So that's how it is. The same thing with what the synthetic. You click on synthetic signal, click on retracement too. All you need to do, just load all. Once I load all, the system will now program all the whole pairs for me. The same way you can delete the ones you want. You understand? But for now, I'm not trading synthetic, so I will delete all. So I'll do that. Then we'll go back again to the same place. Click on well trade. Once you click on well trade, look at it, retracement promise. Once you do that, as you can see, I'm trading all. You click load, everything will appear. Then you can still remove the ones that you don't want by just clicking delete. Once you click delete, the ones that you don't want will go out. If it's only 2 or 3 that you want to trade, leave it. But for me, I trade all the whole pairs, so I'm going to click it. Everything is there. Now that you've loaded all the whole pair, now let's take an example from the notification that we had previously. Now let's say, for instance, we receive a notification now. Look at it, we receive a notification now. The system tells me what to buy this. Okay, let's do with forex first. Let's go with forex. Now it told me to sell gold. Look at it, it told me to sell gold. This is what you do. All you need to do is very simple. Click on the notification. Once you click on the notification, it will take you to a page where you see detailed information about the notification. Pay very good attention here. It's very simple. As you can see, it's telling us sell strong. This does the analysis, the reason why I told you to sell. The most important thing is for you to sell gold now. Then you come here. Once you come here, you see this one. Since it's forex, you click on what? Forex inbuilt chart. That inbuilt chart I told you about before. You come here, you can log in through the app to get your inbuilt chart, or you can come through this notification menu to get the same inbuilt chart. So this is for forex inbuilt chart. This is for world trading inbuilt chart. This is for derivative in chart, but the signal we got is to sell good. That means it's under forest. So I'm going to click on this now. Once I click on this, underneath this, it's telling me I don't have subscription. Okay, let me see if I can log in back again. Let me log in back. So, all right, we're going to use another example. Let's use Well Trade, for instance. Is Well Trade I have subscription on it? Or perhaps let's just go back, click on this. The same thing, you can see navigate. Let's assume now it told us to sell good. All you need to do, just click on the forest inbuilt chart. It will load. Select the pair. Let's say this is good. Select the pair, click on load. Once you click load, it's going to load the pair for you, but you can get it in a bigger frame in the direct menu, which I'm going to take you back to that place. But this is everything. You can do everything here on this window without moving up and down. So once you do that, you click on settings. Once you click on settings, we have the, what's it called? We have the weekly key level. We have the previous weekly key level. You have the other weekly key level. So we must make sure that price is what? Above or below any resistance, or price is far from our resistance and support. Let's use the word prices must be far from our resistance and support. So I'm going to click on this. You must understand resistance and support before you get able to use this software. Okay, so I'll click on WL. Once I click on WL, you see that price is in between two resistance and support. That means there is space for me to take this trade. You understand? For the first weekly key level. Then the next thing I need to do is to check the second weekly key level. As you can see, there is space for me to take the trade. Look at it. Look at it. There is space for me to take this trade downward side. Then I'll still come here again, check the last weekly key level. As you can see, there's space for me to get to what? The next what? Key level. There's space for me to get to the next key level. So all I need to do is that, now let's take another example. Look at this one, GBP card. It's telling me to buy GBP card. Let's click this so that we'll see, because I'm currently buying this. Let's take example of this. So all I need to do is just click on Forex inbuilt charts, load my GBP card. Let me see, where is the GBP card? GBP card, look for it. I'll click GBP card. I'll click load. Once I click load, the name will appear here to show that you've loaded the pair. Then you come here, click on your settings. Once you click on your settings, you see your WL, weekly key level, last week key level, last 2 weeks key level. The purpose of this is to make sure that price is not close to our resistance and our support. As you can see, I'm going to click on WL. As you can see, price is still far from what? Our support level. So I'm going to click on WL1. As you can see, price is already close to our support level, already close. Then I'll click on W2. As you can see, this one is very far. So before you take your trade, make sure that there's a huge distance between your current candle, which is this one. This is your current candle, from what? The resistance and support. There should be enough space before you can take the trade. So once you've achieved this, the next thing you need to do is just check the turning points. Check turning points. Once you click on turning point, it will be able to tell you that this GBP card has changed direction from previous low. Is going to be very strong. So this kind of setup is telling you that the market, the trend is going to be very, very massive on this pair. You understand? Once you see this, is a very good setup on that. Then you can write other things, but this one is just coming from the bottom, meaning that price was previously selling before, but now it has moved to the upside. But the most important thing here is to make sure that price is far from what? Your key levels. There should be a reasonable space from here to here. You understand? Now, how do we use our stop loss? We use our stop loss. Our stop loss is always below. If we are buying, our stop loss should be below the support level. If we are selling, our stop loss should be above what? The resistance level. Do you understand? Most times we don't get to hit our stop loss. The system will just notify us to close the trade. That means if the market has changed direction, all we do is to just close the trade with minimal losses. Most times we don't hit SL, we always close with minimal losses. So once you've achieved all these things, the next thing you need to do, you can plot all these key levels on your what? MT5. All you need to do, for you to do that, you just close this, click S, click calculate L. Is all in up application. Click the calculate L. Once you click this calculate L, you see the calculate WL, which is weekly key level. I'll click it. A window will come out, which is this one. As you can see, I'm moving it up. It will help you to calculate the distance from the candle to the next key level. As you can see, the distance is just 8 pips for the next key level. The next resistance, the distance is 69 pips. So if you want to plot this on your MT5, just copy this. Once you copy this, put it like this, go to your MT5, paste it there, or you can write it down, draw your horizontal line on your MT5. You'll be able to get all this line the way it is, as it is. So this is how you take your trade using what Bekenet Trading software. It's as simple as that. What I just did now will not take you up to 2 minutes. You're done. Just check if price is close to resistance and support. Once you're satisfied with all the whole criteria that the price is far from the resistance and support, then you can now go to your MT5 and place that trade. You go to your MT5 and place the trade. The software is a signal provider. It only tells you when to buy and when to sell. Now, he has told me to buy GBP card. Then you move to your MT5 and place the trade. Put your stop loss and put your take profit. You can use any of the key levels as your take profit. It's as simple as that. So once you're done putting the trade on your MT5, you come back to this page. You don't close it. You click on this set alert. You click on this set alert. Once you click on this set alert, it's very simple. Immediately you click on this set alert, you now program the system that anytime the market want to change direction from this buy to a sell, just notify me. All I need to do is just click it. Once you click it, it will tell you that Bekenet Smart AI Exit Plan will notify you when to close GBP card buy. Simple as ABCD. Nothing more, nothing less. All you need to do, you just relax, allow the market to do its thing. When it's time for you to close, the software will notify you, or you can take your profit by yourself. When you see a reasonable amount of profit, you can take it. Or if price hits your TP level, you can take it. But immediately the software notify you that you should close the trade, please do close it ASAP. Don't negotiate it, close it, because the system will detect it that the market has changed direction or price has changed direction. That is why it will notify. But as long you have not received any notification at all, please allow the market to run and use proper risk management so that you will not panic. Don't stack so that you will not panic even if you are having a drawdown. Do you understand? And the software, we don't use it to trade news. Whenever there is news, FOMC, NFP, CPI, please don't take any trade. Do you understand? During this period, maybe after the CPI news, or maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour after the CPI news, once you get the signal, still check if price is close to resistance and support before what you take your trade. This is very, very, very simple. The same principle I showed you, the same thing you apply to well trade. The same thing you apply to derivative synthetic. Now let's go to well trade. Let me show you. It's still the same thing. As you can see, it's telling me to buy pullback. Telling me to buy pullback and flip. Let's go back to that place. It's telling me to buy flip pullback of this. This is it. So all I need to do is just click it. Once I click it, it will take me to the same page again. But since I'm trading well trade synthetic, all I need to do is select well trade. Look at it. I'm going to select well trade. This is it. I'll select well trade there. This is very simple. I'll click well trade. Then I'll select the pair, flip volume 20. Then I'll click load. At this place, you see they just read through. This thing is very simple. If you can read, you'll be able to use the software. So once you load this pair, it will appear here. You read through, you load it. The next thing you need to do is come here, click on your weekly key level, WL. You see that price is what far from the resistance level. Look at it. This is our resistance level. So price is very far from here. The line you should focus on is the green line, this purple line, and the red lines only, please. Do you understand? Always make sure there's a huge distance between this place. Then, as you can see, the current weekly key level, there is a huge distance. I'll check last week key level, which is a WL1. As you can see, it's already at the top. I'll check last 2 weeks key level, which is WL2. It's already at the top. All I need to do, I can take this trade. I can see check my turning point and see what it's telling me. It's telling me that FX volume 20 is heading towards a resistant level. before you take this signal, make sure you have a reasonable distance from the resistance level. Like what I just said, make sure there's a distance from where the candle is to what the next key level or the support level before you take this trade, or you better still ignore it and wait for a better what setup. So once you're done with that, you make sure you go to your MT5, place this trade on your MT5, then you can come here and program it so that the system can notify you when it's time for you to close this trade. Just click on what set alert to close FX volume 20 buy. So I'll click it, it will now program it for me to close. Then I can check my history. Once I check the history, I'll be able to see that I have programmed only 2 pairs, that the system will notify me when to close my trade. So once GBP card is going in a wrong direction, it will notify me. I will go to my MT5 and close the trade. Once FX volume 20 is going in a wrong direction, your system will notify me. I will go to my MT5 and close my trade. Simple as what? ABCD. That's the only thing you need to know about Bekenet Trading software. There is one more thing again for those traders and the forex guy. We have what we call, this is exactly what you need to know about the signal service. Then we have what they call the risk management, how you can generate your lot size, how you can get your stop loss and take profit and all that. So let's go back to the app. So this is the app now. Let's move back to the app. So I'm going to log in again. It has logged me out. So I'm going to log in. The basic thing I've showed you on how to use the signals. Then this one now, once you've gotten your signal already, you can come here and the trending pairs, risk management and the trending pair. Now this trending pair helps me to filter out only the pairs that I want to take signal on, which is the strong one. So let's start with the trending pair. This trending pair is available for all setup, which is the on all platform, I mean well trade, forex and derivative synthetic. So let's go to trending pairs. Out the pairs that are very, very strong, that are very trending. All you need to do is just come here on this search menu, just type strong. Once you type strong, you can decide that any pair, that the only signal that you're going to take is the only one that is strong. Like what I just did, I only took what GBP card, which is the only strong pair. Gold is very strong, this is very strong, this is very strong, this is very strong. So out of all the whole pair I loaded, the only pairs that are strong is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can be checking this every 4 hours just to refresh your mind that whenever signal come for BTC, I'll take it. Whenever signal come from this, I'll take it. Whenever signal come from this will only show you the ones that are trending, the ones that are not consolidating at all. Those pairs that are trending, that can give you up to 200 pips or 150 pips and above. That apart from that, other pairs are still there, which are just normal pairs, which just show only bearish, minimum 100 pips and all that. But me, I like taking the strong ones, you understand? That's why I'm currently on GBP card. So that's that about what the trending pair is, just for you to give you an awareness, the pairs that are what trending. It's available for well trade, it's available for forex, it's available for derivative synthesis. So I'm going to click back. The next thing now is what it's very simple. You click on this, put your equity, very, very simple. Once you put your equity, let's say I'm using $100. This is my equity. I'll calculate. I am expected to use 0.01, which is the standard. The standard, you can do otherwise, but this is the standard, so that even if you're hitting SL, you will not lose more than $10 in your account. Do you understand? This is a standard. Use 0.01 if you're using $100, so that you have peace of mind. You will not be panicking even if you're having drawdown. Even if we hit SL of $10, you still have $90 to trade. This is standard, and this is how to generate your loss size. Any amount of your choice, you can put it, you calculate it. And if you're using a prop firm account, let's say you have a $50,000 account, always put your drawdown here, $50,000 profit, meaning that your drawdown should be 5,000. Just put the 5,000 here and generate the lot size of 5,000 to trade your $50,000 account. If it's $100,000 account, put 10,000, which is the drawdown. Always put the drawdown to use it to generate your what's it called, your lot size to trade. Simple as that. Then for well trade, all you need to do, just come here, click on well trade, click on risk management, the same thing. Once you click on risk management, it will load. Once the pair loads, click on proceed, the same thing. Just put your equity. Let's say put your equity, let's say 100. Once I put 100, I click. If the system tells me to buy, I'll put buy. It will help you generate your lot size. Your lot size and what? Your stop loss. So this is your stop loss. It will help you generate your stop loss. All you need to do, just copy this and paste it where your stop loss is and use this lot size to take your trade. Immediately the software tells you to buy, you can generate your lot size. If you already know how to calculate your lot size, if you already know how to calculate your SL, if you don't know that, just use this system to get your SL and use what? 0.01 for any account. Use it for $100 account. If it's $200 account you have, you can change it. It will generate your lot size for you, which is 0.02. It's as simple as what? ABCD. Why for derivative synthetic, we don't actually have a risk management for that, but there's a video you can ask me and I'll send it to you on how to reduce your lot size before you take your trade. So these are the things that you need to know on how to use Bekenet Trading software. Is as simple as what? ABC. Then now, is the software free? The software is not free. The software subscription fee to use the software is $100 per month. You subscribe $100 for you to use the software. Why for well trade? Currently, we are training people on how to use well trade. We will give you 1 month access for well trade synthetic only if you use our what's it called, our affiliate link. Then we'll give you 1 month access. We'll train you, add you to our group, give you 1 month access to use what? The software for 1 month. Why for Forex we don't give access on that? Once you subscribe, we'll train you, send you this training video. You can ask us questions that will guide you on how to use. But for well trade, we'll give you 1 month free access. We'll train you on how to use it. We'll trade together to see how the software works. Then once you're satisfied, you can now be subscribing to what? To use the software. So if you have any question on this, kindly what? Send a message so that I can explain better. But everything I just showed you now is how to use what? Bekenet Trading software to make money without trade. We don't need to do any analysis, but you can as well still do your own analysis to confirm what the signal is telling you for extra confirmation. But the software is what? Fully loaded that it can give you what? A profitable signal in the market. So if you are still confused or you still don't understand, rewatch the video again or ask question, then I'll be able to what? To guide you. Once the software tells you buy, you buy. Once it tells you close, you close. Simple as what? A, B, C, D. Now you can find this video on our YouTube channel. You can subscribe on the YouTube channel so that whenever we have updates in our YouTube channel, you'll be able to get informed. You understand? Just subscribe and get more information. Then you can come here and watch our training videos. Just click on Control Access. You will see the training videos here. Just click on this, you see the training video. If you want to rewatch it, watch it again. You can share it amongst your friends and all that, and like the channel so that what? Whenever we add any update in the software, you get notified and you say. So this is where you click to get your training video. Is as simple as that. Every other thing is for professional levels. There are videos there who is going to tell you how you can use the Forex tools and all that. But this is the basic thing you need this software for, to tell you when to buy and when to what? Sell. This video is being created 2025. You understand? This is an update version that we are giving you today. So if you have any question, kindly feel free to ask. Drop it on the Telegram channel or go to the site. You see a WhatsApp message, type your question there, then we'll be able to attend to you. Thank you very much for your time.